Shalom everyone, I'm going to continue fantastic series, friends, with Daf Yomi. Friends, we're on page number 11 here of Masechet Menachot. Very, very interesting. We're learning just in beautiful biblical Bet Shemesh. Abaye asks Rava, how is Kemitza done? And Rava is going to reply, it is done in the same manner as when people take a handful of something, obviously implying, let's say, taking with him all the fingers, as Rashi is going to point out. And essential parts of the Bet Mikdash, the temple service for a mincha offering, usually translated as a meal offering, since its main components was wine flour, is for a priest, a Kohen, to perform an act called Kemitza. Now, we've spoken about this before. Kemitza is, let's say, before bringing it to the altar in the temple. Other components, let's say, of the mincha offering are oil and levana, also known as frankincense, and there are 4 different types of menachot that are specified in Torah. So very, very interesting. Actually, saying this over from Rav Mendel Weinbach Sechet, and there's a question over here, but Rav Mendel is actually going to say, did you know that each of our fingers has a distinct name? Abaya asks a question on Rav's, let's say, definition from a writer that speaks about the names of the 5 fingers of each hand and the significance of each finger. Following, obviously, we'll see a writer of Rashi's explanation for each finger. The pinky is called a zeret, which indicates, let's say, the length of the choshed. Next is a kemitza, which is also known as a finger, which is used for taking kemitza portion for the mincha offering. Next is the amma, the longest finger, which served as a standard means of measure in the temple. Next is the etzba, which the Kohen dips in blood when required. And finally is, let's say, the final one is a bohen. What is that, friends? That's a thumb, as let's say the thumbs play a role in the purification process of a metzora, which we learn about very much over here. Abaye is going to make questions with regards to kemitza in of itself, used for taking, let's say, the kemitza, the portion, and which finger specific to use. And there's going to be a presentation also, the Gemara is going to say, and an answer for Rava inside this page of the Gemara. Very, very detailed, excellent. Abaye, Rava, they will come in back and forth, and they're going to grapple with the whole topic of Kemitza. So I recommend everyone to learn this specific page and enjoy, friends, just here from beautiful parks in Bet Shemesh.